How to create a CSAT survey stacked column chart in Excel. Create chart from selection. Search for the CSAT survey stacked column chart. Then select it. Select the data. Click on the Create Chart from Selection button. CSAT survey stacked column chart is created successfully. CSAT survey stacked column chart data requirements. You need one column of categorical data to create a CSAT survey stacked column chart. Categorical data definition: it describes a characteristic or a category of data. It takes on values that are names or labels. Categorical data is also called qualitative data. You need two columns of numerical data to create a CSAT survey stacked column chart. Numerical data definition: it is in the form of numbers and is numeric in nature. It can be counted or measured and can be arranged in a logical order. Numerical data is also called quantitative data. Important: CSAT survey stacked column chart will only accept data in columns as shown in the image on the right. Search for the CSAT survey stacked column chart. Then select it. Select the data. Click on the Create Chart from Selection button. CSAT survey stacked column chart is created successfully. How to edit a chart. Click on the Edit Chart button. Click on the chart header pen to edit the properties. Then enter the header text. Click on the Apply button. Click on the Legend Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the Legend section. You can show or hide legend. Click on the Box section to change the color of the boxes. Click on the Apply button. Similarly, change the color of all boxes. Click on the Settings button to change the chart properties. Click on the Miscellaneous section. You can change the values for detractors, passives, and promoters as needed. Click on the Apply button. Click on the Bar and Label Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the Label section to show column labels. Click on the Apply All button. Click on the Save Changes button. How to export a chart. Click on the Export Chart button to export chart in SVG, PDF, PNG, or JPG. The exported chart file will appear in the Downloads folder. How to install ChartExpo add-in. Click on the Add-ins button. Install ChartExpo add-in. Enhance your charting experience with advanced charts. An add-in is software adds new features into Microsoft Excel and Office 365. How to install ChartExpo video is available in iCard, located in top right corner. Video link is also provided in the description below. Please click on More. Once the ChartExpo add-in is installed, it should display in My Add-ins box. Click on the ChartExpo add-in to select it. Following versions of Excel are supported by ChartExpo. We appreciate your business. Thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.